Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to add your pronouns to your Pinterest profile on your PC, using the latest update. It's a quick and simple process that helps you express yourself clearly and authentically on the platform. First, open your preferred browser and go to LinkedIn. Yes, you'll start here because the pronoun settings sync through LinkedIn, making it easier to keep your profiles consistent across platforms. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon on the left side menu. This icon represents your settings, so click on it to proceed. Next, navigate to the Settings section. From there, select Edit Profile. This is where you can update your personal details, including your pronouns. Now, find the Pronouns field and enter the pronouns you want to display on your Pinterest profile. Make sure to choose the ones that best represent you. After you've added your pronouns, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your pronouns will now be visible on Pinterest, helping others address you correctly and fostering a more inclusive online space. This new update makes it easier than ever to share your identity with your Pinterest community. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and updates.